Morning and dears. Today we'll be starting exercise 12A. The first question we have, fill in the blanks. You must write full sentence and then you must fill it. Now exercise 12, only answers I'm writing here, but you must write it in full sentence, dear. Exercise 12A. The first question says, the exterior angle of triangle and its adjacent interior angle form a linear pair because the sum is 180 degree. Number 2, the exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of its interior opposite angles. Is it? Third is, if the exterior angle is 90 degree, then the sum of the interior opposite angles will be, what will be the sum of interior opposite angles? That is 90 degree only. And each of the two interior opposite angles will be, if the sum is 90, both will be what? Which type of angle? Acute angles. So the question number 3's answer would be, the first blank you write 90 degree and the second blank you write each angle will be an acute angle. Okay. Now the next is, if the exterior angle is an acute angle, then each of the interior opposite angles will be what? Acute only, na? Because the exterior angle is acute, so interior opposite angle sum will be acute. If the sum is acute, both the angles would be acute. Is it? Then number 5, if the exterior angle of triangle is obtuse, then one of the interior opposite angle will be an acute angle, and the other interior angle opposite angle can be an acute angle, because 2 acute gives you obtuse. It can be an obtuse angle because obtuse plus acute also sometimes gives you obtuse, or it can be a right angle. Does not matter what angle it is. Okay. Now number 6, an exterior angle cannot be a straight angle. Either it can acute, obtuse or right, but it never would be a straight angle. Number 7, if the exterior angle of a triangle is 108 degree, one of the interior opposite is 76 degree, then the measure of other interior angle shall be 108 minus 76 is equal to 32 degree. It would be the answer. Last, the sum of the measures of 3 angles of triangle is, what is that? Sum of all the 3 angles is 180 degree. This is called angle sum property of triangle. Already we have learned this. Now you can see all the 8 answers I have written on the board. You must write it in your book. Then afterward you must copy it in your copy with the full sentence. You don't write only answers, so that I have to refer the book and you correct your copy. You kindly write the sentence for fill in the blanks. Not here, even in the exam also, fill in the blanks should be with the sentence. Okay. Then we'll solve question number 2 today. Then 3 onwards we'll be solving next day. Question number 2, it says, if the exterior angle of a triangle is equal to 145 degree and one of the interior opposite angle is 65 degree, find the measure of other interior opposite angle. Already we have learned the formula. What is that? That is exterior angle is equal to sum of interior opposite angles. Is it? Now write here, given exterior angle of a triangle is, number 2, given exterior angle of a triangle is 145 degree. One of the interior opposite angle is 65 degree. So other interior opposite angle would be exterior angle, exterior angle minus interior, one interior opposite angles. As we know, the sum of interior opposite is exterior angle is equal to 145 degree minus 65 degree, or answer is 80 degree. Here you can write as exterior angle is equal to sum of interior opposite angles. So 145 degree minus 65 degree, that gives you 80 degree. Okay, please write it. So tomorrow onwards we will be solving the picture sums which is given to us in question number 3 and all. Till then you keep practicing, and if there is any doubt you can ask me in comment box. Thank you dears.